Hello everyone, welcome to another Node video tutorial. So this is going to be a very short video. Today I'm gonna tell you about NPM. NPM stands for Node Package Manager. So basically it's a collections of Node packages for made for developers to use. So let's see how we're going to get a node package from the npm.js. So this is very easy to do. So first you need to go to npmjs.com, because first you need to find out the package name that you want to get. So in this case, let's say we want to get the uh, MySQL package for Node. So as you can see, I am on the npmjs.com. So I'm gonna search for MySQL and click search. As you can see, it has found 4,495 packages, but yeah, as you can see, there are many packages here, but the one we want is the first one. As you can see, it's the exact match what we search for. So I'm going to click this one, and you can check out the description and everything, the instructions. So basically this is what we want, how to install. So you can copy this one, or it's fairly very simple, npm install mysql. So let's see how we're going to do that. First I'm gonna open git bash or the command prompt, whichever. So I'm gonna type mkdir node project, just made a folder. So I'm going to navigate to that folder right now, and I'm going to create a new node project. So npm init and I'm gonna leave this everything as the way they are. Yes, okay. Now let's say we want to install the MySQL package for Node. So I'm simply gonna type npm install MySQL and press enter. As you can see, it's installing the MySQL package, and it's already done. So now you need to read further about on how to use this specific package. So this is the introduction. Yeah, I'm not going to do all this right now. I just wanted to show you how to install a Node package to your Node project. So hope you learned something. I'll see you soon.